Hey guys, welcome back. You probably have noticed that the channel has changed its name. And if you're new, this channel used to be called Social Dance Bachata. And now I just name it KST, which is my initials. And I put Bachata and Zouk. And I just want to talk about why the change and what's going to stay the same and what's going to be new for this channel. So the reason I started Social Dance Bachata was because exactly that. I just like social dancing bachata, and lately I've been doing a lot of Zouk and I really enjoy it, and that's why I want to include that type of content as well. I want to grow this, but that's more sort of like the more superficial change that's gonna happen. So before I talk about why I made the change, other reasons why I did it, I just want to clarify what things are the same. So the types of content are going to be staying pretty similar. I'm going to have the breakdown videos, the tutorial videos, maybe even like an interview, like the video that I did last, and like a little bit of maybe just demo. But what's new is I'm going to incorporate more videos where I can just sort of talk. And the reason is because, and part of the reason I changed it to my name is because I want this channel to reflect who I am a little bit more and more about the journey that I went through. Because with dancing, I've got a pretty different view of what dancing is for me. The dancing is not really making shapes and then, being watched by friends and, like, hey, look at me, I'm gonna do this thing. I'm more about personal development and connection, and that's what I've been doing for most of my life. I've been very interested in self-development, and even the reason I fell in love so quickly with Zouk is because I just saw so many ways that you apply self-development principles, even the more deeper stuff such as spirituality, masculine and feminine energy. And these types of things really, I think, is very valuable for someone, not for everyone, but for someone who has like a perspective who's similar to me. And I just want to bring that into awareness. I just want to connect it more, because I feel like it will be very, very helpful, especially if you're someone like me who's more interested in the deeper meaning of things. Because I've already mentioned, it's not a shape, it's not really performing, it's more about the process that you go through to master a skill and the connections that you build along the way. So in saying that, what are the types of content? So I'll probably do a little bit more of this, but also I'm focusing now on online courses because I've been teaching a lot. When I started the channel, I was not teaching. I was just talking because I wanted to share some things. Right now, I've been teaching for a while now. I've been teaching privates and classes, and I've seen that with YouTube, I'm just sort of throwing random content here and there, whatever I feel like. But in terms of your growth, it's not very effective. So I find that the best way for people to learn is when they have a structure. And I've had this structure for myself. Like I take notes every time I dance, every time I take privates. And I'm a very structured person, and I feel like that's how people grow the most. So I want to create a free online course that I'm going to start working and hopefully be able to release in a few months, so that people can learn from a more structured way. And everything is going to be in the description box. And also I'll kind of explain why I've been gone for a while. It's got to do with my computer being broken again. I break my computer every year. But anyways, that's all for this video. I just want to share that, make sure that we're on the same page, and then so that you guys know what's coming. So thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video.